Eva Minaeva.
Yeah, right.
Thank you, from Starsystem.
Yeah.
What are you wearing today? Tell me what you're wearing. Top.
Yeah, so this is Yohji Yamamoto.
I love him.
I love him too. So
I love
much.
him. He's a cool guy. That would question who's interesting. I think Yohji's very interesting. But anyway.
He's amazing. Actually, the first show I did in my life was Yohji Yamamoto.
It was.
I was 14 and I didn't know what Yohji Yamamoto
Of course.
is.
That's
really,
amazing.
I found out after 3 years. I found out.
Eva, you're spoilt. You didn't even realize how money you were.
It was so cool in Kyoto.
Oh my god, wicked.
Yeah.
Belt?
Oh, I just found it somewhere in LA.
Model Zone.
Yeah.
It's just just a shop.
Yeah.
You bought it new.
In the Grow in LA. Yeah, but it just
Okay.
I don't even remember what. Yeah, just something. I like to pick some stuff.
Right. Trousers?
The couples, I love them.
The couples. Okay,
Yeah.
that's so cool. Black velvet?
Yep. I love them. I did the campaign of them and with my
You did that
ex-boyfriend.
campaign?
Yeah.
With your ex-boyfriend?
Yeah.
You were the freaking couple?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
That
I
was
want to
so
see it. I
nice.
want to see it. You wore it. You lived it. You lived the freaking campaign and you've got the trousers to prove it.
yes, I got the
Did you get those free?
Yes, actually we got like a lot of stuff after the shoot and so we just put it on Instagram.
Wicked. Are you still with him?
No.
No.
Thanks God, no.
The campaign was over. He was done.
Yeah.
And the
it was
boots.
done. And the boots is.
Let's have a look.
Should I
Grab.
just?
Just show the boot itself.
Oh, it's Balenciaga. I love
Balenciaga. Look at that. Demna Balenciaga, right?
I love them.
Are you flying a Russian flag for him because he is Russian? Does that make a difference? Are you happier? Are you proud?
Of.
Demna, the designer for. Oh no, yeah, he is at Balenciaga.
I mean.
Vetements, the Vetements.
Yeah, Vetements. I love Balenciaga more.
You love the brand more than the designer.
No, I mean, no, I thought you were asking about the Vetements and Balenciaga.
Yes.
It's it belongs to the same.
The same Demna design spec.
Yeah. I mean, I love Balenciaga. Vetements is cool too. Vetements is more.
That's very expensive. Those boots were expensive. Give me a ballpark figure.
Like.
How much approximately were those massive boots?
They're like 700, I think.
Shirt? Yohji Yamamoto.
It was. I don't remember actually.
More than $500.
Yeah.
It's Yohji.
This was really cheap. It was like maybe less than 100. I don't even know where I did it.
That's high-low. You're mixing high with low.
Yes, I like to make. Even sometimes I dress like a homeless, but I wear some nice shoes. Some like expensive shoes.
Wicked.
I love it. It's so nice. You just feel like you're homeless, but not completely.
Brilliant.
Yeah.